Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to change your YouTube profile pictures on the mobile app. First, make sure that your app is up to date. Once it's updated, open the app and head to the home page. In the top right corner of the screen, next to the search option, you'll see your profile picture. Tap on it and a new option will come up. Tap on your channel, which is right below the first option and above Turn on Incognito. This will take you to your channel page. Here, tap on the pencil icon located next to Analytics and to the right of Manage Videos. This will bring you to a page where you can see your profile pictures and your channel background. Tap on your profile pictures and you can then choose a photo from your library or take a new one. After choosing the photo, click on Save. You can move the photo around to position it as you like. And once you're happy with it, click Save again. Your profile pictures will then update, although it may take a moment to load. Once it's updated, you'll see a message that says Profile pictures updated successfully. And that's it. That's how you change your profile pictures on the YouTube app. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave any questions in the comment below. Thank you for watching.